Okay, so we're looking at highest common factor and lowest common multiple today. Um, just a quick rundown on each of these. As the name suggests, it refers to the highest, okay, so the largest factor that is common to the numbers provided in the question. For example, the highest common factor of 24 and 40, okay, factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And the factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Therefore, the common factors of 24 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So when you're finding common factors, it's a lot like 3.1 where we were looking for the factors. You're just finding common ones between two numbers. The lowest common multiple stands for, here's an example, find the lowest common multiple of 20 and 12. Okay, multiples of 20 and 12 are 40, multiples of 20 and of 12 are listed here. Okay, so all you need to do obviously is once again try to find the one that's going to be the same. So here 60 is one of 12 and 60 is one of 20. So that would be the lowest common multiple. So a good way to think about it is multiples go up, okay? So if you're looking at multiples, they will go up. They're higher than the two numbers that you're given. And if you're looking for factors, factors will be lower, okay? Factors will be lower than the numbers in the question itself. So let's have a look at a couple of questions. Find the highest common factors for the following pairs. All right, so let's have a look at C, 2 and 12. So in your book, you would write down question 5C, and I need to list the factors for 2, and I also need to list them for 12. Okay, so factors for 2 are 1 and 2. All right, that was pretty easy. And for 12, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 itself. All right, so obviously the answer to this is going to be 2. That's the highest common factor. So it really is quite straightforward. You just need to understand what a factor is, okay, and you need to understand, okay, how do I look for it? Finding the lowest common multiple of the following groups of numbers. All right, so let's have a look at C again. All right, so 8C. And our numbers there were 2, 3, and 4. And what you should do here is just start listing the multiples of these numbers. And, you know, do 2 or 3 at a time, and then we'll see if we're getting closer. So obviously we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Alright, we'll stop there. For this we've got 3, 6, so there's one already. 9, 12, there's another one. Now for 4, 8, okay, they share it, but all 3 don't. And then we have 12. So the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 4 is 12. Okay, so once again, just listing out these numbers, all right, and looking for the similar one. Okay, let's do a problem-solving question. So Andrew runs laps of the circuit in 4 minutes. Brian runs laps of the same circuit in 3 minutes, and Chris runs the laps of the same circuit in 6 minutes. They all start together on the starting line, and the race goes for 36 minutes. So question 8. What is the first time after the start that they will all cross over the line together? All right, so this is very similar to the question that we did in the last chapter. So we're going to have to list the multiples of these numbers. So we've got 4. So Andrew does it in 4. Brian does it in 3. And Chris does it in 6 minutes. Okay, so there are our numbers there. Okay, and let's just start listing multiples. So 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Why do you think I stopped at 36? Okay, the reason for that being is that here it says the race goes for 36 minutes. Okay, so here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, and 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay, so for A, oops, sorry about that. For A, we're looking for the multiple that's the lowest common multiple, because we need to find out what time they both cross the track or the line at the same time. So here we go here. It's probably going to be 12. All right, 12. So the answer to A is they will all cross the line at minute 12. Okay, let's have a look at B. How many laps will each boy complete in the race? All right, so here we go. We've got it listed here. So for Andrew, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 laps. For Brian, I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 laps. For Chris, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 laps. And that's the answer to B. C. How many times does Brian overtake Andrew during the race? Oh, a little bit tricky, this one. Okay, so how many times does Andrew overtake Brian? So we're looking at this one. Was that it? Brian overtake Andrew. Okay, good. All right, so for this one, we need to have a close look at the times that they're running. Okay, if we have a look at how many laps they've done, how many laps more has Brian done than Andrew? And the answer to that is 3. Now we could have a look through all of these and count how many times Brian actually does overtake Andrew, but we've got this in the answer in B. Okay, because Andrew only did 9 laps and Brian did 12, we know that Brian must have overtaken Andrew at least 3 times. Okay, and only 3 times. So the answer for C is 3 times. Okay, hopefully that helps.